makes me feel whenever I upload something on my face. Shit. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my very recent purple haul, which by the way we can call as Good Vibes haul as well, because all the product I'm going to be showing you all belong to the house of Good Vibes, so yeah, we can call it either way. Now before proceeding with the video, I want to make sure that you guys know that every product from today's video belonging to the skincare, body care or hair care range. There is not a single product which belongs to makeup, because I don't know guys, I could not think of anything to invest on, specifically given the current situation, and I don't know myself when I'm going to be using them next. Okay, so I just ordered those products which I think I have just already finished and was about to purchase, or maybe I'm going to be needing immediately or in the near future. Now before proceeding with the haul, if you're new to my channel, then I'll be really happy if you please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. It will mean the world to me, and also you can hit the bell icon just beside it in order to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright guys, so I have this huge box right here. Now in this video I'm not going to be giving you all any detailed review of any product, because I just received this parcel maybe 1 or 2 days back, so it's really an insufficient amount of time to actually try out a product and comment on that. So I'm not going to do that. Like, I'm not going to pick up randomly a product and then talk about it. I'm not going to do that. So yes guys, I will be needing a week or two to try out that, and then I'll be definitely coming up with the reviews. So starting on with the haul, the first product we have over here is the Rose Glow Toner from Good Vibes. Now I have not used it yet, so it will take me some time. I just मेरे से ना रहा नहीं जाता, so I always stir up all those plastics and everything, whatever is remaining, and I sanitized it, I kept over there, and so yeah, that's it. I have not used it yet. So the first product is Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. I was looking for some toner, and usually whenever I try out some product for the first time, I do not go for anything that I'm not sure whether it will suit to my skin or not. So Rose has always been so friendly to my skin. That's why I ordered it, and I'll let you guys know how it works. Then the second product we have over here is the Good Vibes Rose Deep Cleansing Face Wash. Now my current face wash is about to end, and I was sort of looking for a face wash which deep cleanses. So I saw the term deep cleansing, and I just sort of purchased it. So yeah, also I was going to try the entire Rose range, so that's why also I went for this one. The third item we have here is the Havana Mango Relaxing Conditioner from Good Vibes. Now my conditioner is not about to end. I just started using it 2 weeks ago, but as I was purchasing in a lot, so I thought of ordering it because एक product के लिए when I'm gonna order next. So I found it interesting because I did not try their mango range. I did not want to try all of them, but I just thought of giving the conditioner a shot. So yeah, that's right. Also, I'm gonna be leaving down all the prices below and somewhere in the screen, so please check it out. And I'm going to be also linking all the products down in the description box, so in case if you're wondering, just don't forget to check the description box. The next product we have here is Good Vibes Jasmine Hydrating Face Mist. Now I have used a lot of face mist from different brands, but I have never used Good Vibes. Also, it looks really tiny. It is a 50 ml product, okay, but it's really tiny, like itna sa hai. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, but it smells amazing. I'm not gonna spray it on my face right now, but it smells amazing. It smells absolutely like jasmine. All those artificial smells sometimes you get from jasmine and lavender and rose or something like that. It's nothing. It's absolutely natural fragrance. I love the fragrance a lot. So yeah, I think regarding the hydration, I don't know. I'm gonna be letting you guys know later on. So this is the fourth product. Okay, so the next product is a bit funny. Not funny, I mean, I find it amusing because in my entire life I have used products for my hair, for my body, for my skin and everything, but I have never used something for my feet. And the next item we have over here is the Lavender Fruit Soap from Good Vibes. Now, I know this is not a product that I was going to be needing immediately or something like that, but I just wanted to try it out. I mean, when you see some product, you find it really interesting and you go through the reviews and all everything, so you're like, ye hai kya? And I really wanted to try this out, so I got this, and I have not opened it. I mean, the seal is not even open till now, so it's yet to be tried. But I hope it really turns out well, because I have never ever used anything, any particular specified product for my feet, and this is going to be the first one. Okay, so the next product we have is the Vitamin C and Vitamin E Age Defying Serum. Now, I was looking for anyways a good Vitamin C serum, and a lot of my friends have used it already. So I just thought of ordering it, and Good Vibes is such an affordable brand. I mean, I don't remember buying any of the Good Vibes products without a sale. There is always some sale going on in purple.com. So in case if you're looking for a good affordable brand, please go for Good Vibes. I will recommend it 100 times. So this is how the product looks like. It is a 10 ml of product, and it has a dropper also. It comes with a cap, okay, like this kind of cap, which you can also place. I've just attached the dropper. So yeah, this was the 7 or 6, I don't remember which. Next up we have is the Rose Radiant Glow Face Serum from Good Vibes, and this was such an hype product, and this is my second purchase, by the way. I have already finished the first bottle, and it's really a good, I don't know about the glow thing, but it hydrates my dry ass skin so freaking well that I'm in love with this product. Next up we have is the Rose Hydrating Face Mask from Good Vibes. Now, as you all know from my previous videos, that I always focus on DIY face mask. This is going to be my first ever ready-made face mask that I'm purchasing from outside, because other than that I always focus on DIYs. I don't know, it just makes me feel so comfortable, because I know what ingredients I'm using, I know what quantity and what quality products I'm giving to that particular mask. So it just makes me feel good about my skin, and it just makes me feel confident also. So this is going to be the first ever ready-made mask I'm going to be using. So I will let you guys know how it turns out. And the last product we have over here is the tryout freebie product, which they sent me as free because I purchased all of this. This is the Good Vibes Calendula Gel, which is a tryout travel pack, I think. So yeah, I'll be trying it out and let you guys know how it turns out. And with this we come to the end of this video, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because this was the first ever haul video in my channel. And if you enjoyed, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below. Also, don't forget to share this video to whomsoever you think this video might be helpful to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.